Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and today we're preparing one of my favorite masks because it's 3-in-1 mask, and all the ingredients we're using I always have on hand, and I do believe you too. So 3-in-1 mask will include bananas, a little bit of lemon, and honey. And it's 3-in-1 because all the ingredients will work together to hydrate, moisturize, and exfoliate your skin. So that's your 3-in-1. I think that's very convenient. And for the recipe, obviously the start of the recipe would be banana. So I have a little bit here. It's a ripe banana. You can use whatever banana you have on hand. I would need to mash it, so we could get 3 tablespoons of mashed bananas. Once I've mashed the bananas, I would say for 3 tablespoons, half of a banana, maybe half of banana like that, or a little bit more if your banana is smaller. You can just eyeball it. You could double the recipe if you want to use it for your décolletage and your neck. But I believe this should be good for at least some part of your neck, right? So 3 tablespoons mashed bananas, then the lemon juice, that brightening, exfoliating effect. We only need a few drops. So by a few drops, I mean, like 10 drops like this. Just squeeze it out. And the last ingredient would be honey. You could get any honey you have on hand, obviously. Whoops. And we won't need a lot, just half a tablespoon. So let's wait for my honey. That's it. I believe we're done. This is the macadamia honey I have, got it at Trader Joe's. Any honey will do. So now, final mix, so all the ingredients are very well combined. So once we mix everything, we have sort of smooth paste. If you don't need to be perfect with mashing the bananas also, and just when you apply it to your face, you want it to let sit for a good 20 minutes. And I would say if you think that the mask is liquidy, don't mash bananas that hard. I did a very decent job here. Or just, have a towel ready, and you don't need to apply a lot. Just smooth it a little bit, I'm going to show you. So this is my hand, and you don't need it to be falling off your hand. See? I smoothed it out. Nothing really is dripping or falling. So that's really what you need. And I would say it's very important during the time you apply mask to really be down, on the bed or sofa. Relax. You need to think that the mask is working, and this way you really have a good relaxing procedure instead of you just running around with your mask. Try to do everything at once, though. I feel you. If that's necessary, go ahead and do that, but I would suggest you to find a little bit of time for yourself. After 20 minutes, you just rinse it off with cool water and proceed with your regular skincare routine. I really hope you guys like this video. Very, very easy recipe, but working. I love all the ingredients. You could maybe add some of your favorite additions, some essential oils, but I think we don't need essential oils here. And if you are using essential oils, be very careful around your eye area, and always do a patch test to see if your skin likes that. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Say hello in the comments. I wish you all the best, guys. Smile as much as you can. Love yourself. Do find time for yourself. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Put the thumbs up if you like this one, and subscribe to my channel.